Tough day for air travel here in Buffalo and across the United States. Lots of flight cancellations. Then there's the clashes with the cartel in parts of Mexico. And there's been some confusion about what's going on with TSA PreCheck after Homeland Security announced that it would be halted because of the government shutdown, but then they reversed their decision and it seems to be working again. At the Buffalo Niagara International Airport, the blizzard on the East Coast was having the biggest impact, with lots of cancellations on the board.
It's a significant impact. We've had a lot of cancellations this morning. It started throughout the day. I do think it is important, however, to remember that these disruptions are not just at the Buffalo International Niagara Airport. This is happening all over the Northeast.
The blizzard meant that for Hilda Ramos and her little goddaughter Bella, they were going to have to take a different route from Buffalo to Puerto Rico.
And she's so excited. We've been talking about going to Puerto Rico forever, so now it's going to take us a long time to get there. My connection was in JFK. So Friday night, I started looking for alternatives, and I found they routed me to Orlando. And then the night before last, they called me and said, we canceled Orlando. We're routing you through Fort Lauderdale. And so what should have been, I should have been there at 2:30 in the afternoon. Now I'm getting there at 9:30 at night, but that's okay.
And are you going to be patient about getting there, or do you want to get there now?
Yeah. You want to get there now?
So obviously lots of cancellations involving the East Coast, but if you're traveling south or west, you should be fine. At the Buffalo Niagara International Airport, Maki Becker, 7 News.